So friends, in this video we will find out date of birth of students. Suppose like we have certain student, so we can do this with the help of formulas also, but here we are doing the series of power query. So how we can find out age of student through power query? So let's check it out what we can do. So we have certain student here, so similar we have to convert it into table. This is the first step which we will do in power query. So we click on the heading here, then I will go to data, and from data I will select this from table, and my table as a header, I click on that, so it will take my table also. So one thing I will do again before that, I will put a date here because it's not having a like here, and now it's okay. So then I will go to data from table. So now my table as a header, so now it's I have a name of student and date as in header. Then I will press OK. So this will convert this data and transform it into your power query. So name, we have name of students and date also. Now this date is also having a time here. So what we will do, I will just click here and just convert into date only. So now replace and current, so I will convert in that. So this is our date. Now I will need date or what is their age now. So I will just change his name to this table, age of student. I just give name to this table. Now we will do another step. I click this, then I will go to add column, and in this date we have an age at above it. So I just put this. So we have 8, but this date age is showing in your days. So we have to convert this into years because it's not look good. Generally age is like we know our age according to the years. So we will just select this, then I will go to duration, and then from duration time is there, so I will just click on this time, duration, and from here total years. So we have a total years on the same, not here. I just remove this. I will do that here. I will remove this. Then I will go there, and this time I will do system transform. In transform, I will go to duration, and from duration I will take this because I want to change it here only. Because in add column it is adding a next column, and here I will take total years. So now we have a total here of the total age of the student, but it also showed decimal, but we want to remove this decimal, so I click here and just convert into whole number. So now we have a age of students. So I will just put here and write down age of students. Now we can transform it into our table, home, and close and load. So when we will press close and load, so it will be in green color, and we have a age of student here. So whatever change we will make here in our date of birth, if we will add new student here and put their date of birth and everything, that will be added in this power query table. So that's all in this video this time.